Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into a game changer for ear hygiene, the ultimate ear wax remover with camera. Trust me, this is a must-have gadget. First off, this isn't your ordinary ear cleaner. It's got a built-in camera compatible with both iOS and Android devices, so you can actually see what's going on in your ears. No more guessing and hoping for the best. This tool gives you a clear, real-time view. But wait, there's more. It comes with a 7-piece ear set, including 6 different ear spoons. Whether you're dealing with stubborn wax or just doing routine cleaning, you've got the right tool for the job. And it's FSA and HSA eligible, which means you can use your flexible spending or health savings account to cover the cost. Now let's talk about ease of use. The setup is super simple. Just connect it to your phone, open the app, and you're ready to go. The high-definition camera provides a crystal clear view, and with the 6 adjustable LED lights, you'll never miss a spot. One of the coolest features is its versatility. It's not just limited to ears. You can use it to inspect other hard-to-see areas like your nose or even your pet's ears. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you're taking care of your health with precision. And for those concerned about hygiene, don't worry, the ear spoons are made from high-quality medical-grade material. Plus, they're easy to clean and sanitize. So if you're ready to upgrade your ear care routine, check out the earwax remover with camera. It's the ultimate tool for a clean and healthy ear experience. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.